Have you ever opened YouTube only to find your feed cluttered with videos you have zero interest in? Or worse, annoying channels keep popping up no matter how many times you ignore them? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to block a YouTube channel from your feed on both mobile app and PC. Here's the catch. YouTube doesn't make it easy to block channels completely. There's no block button like you'd expect. But don't worry, I have some powerful tricks to keep those unwanted videos out of your recommendations. Before we dive in, here's something crazy. YouTube algorithm processes over 500 hours of video every minute. That's a lot of content, and sometimes YouTube gets it wrong when recommending videos. So let's fix that. If you're on your phone, this is super easy. Open the YouTube app and find the video you don't want to see. Tap the three dots next to the video, click Not Interested. But wait, we're not done yet. Tap Don't Recommend this channel. YouTube will stop showing you any content from that creator. Boom, no more unwanted videos from that channel in your feed. But what if they still show up? I'll get to that in a second. If you're using a computer, the process is just as simple. Find the annoying video in your feed, hover over it and click the three-dot menu, select Don't Recommend Channel. And just like that, YouTube will stop suggesting videos from that creator. But here's the problem. This doesn't stop them from commenting on your videos if you're a creator. If a certain channel keeps spamming or harassing you in the comments, you can completely block them. Go to their channel page, click on the About section, tap the flag icon and select Block User. Now they can't comment on your videos at all. No more spam, no more negativity, just peace. If you are a parent, you can block entire channel on YouTube Kids to protect your child from inappropriate or annoying content. Open YouTube Kids setting, search for the channel, click the three-dot menu and select Block this channel. It's that simple. Here are some bonus tips to clean up your YouTube feed. First, clear your watch history. YouTube suggests videos based on what you watch. Resetting it helps remove unwanted content. Second, turn off autoplay to avoid YouTube forcing videos you don't ask for. And third, subscribe to good channels. This helps YouTube understand what you want to see. By using these tricks, your YouTube experience will be so much better. No more annoying channels, no more irrelevant videos, just content you actually enjoy. So, what do you think? Did these tricks help? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips.